In today's lesson, we're going to talk about speed, one of the most basic concepts in physics. Speed and acceleration help us describe motion, and they appear in everything from walking to driving to rocket launches. The formula for speed is simple. V equals delta S divided by delta T, where this rectangle symbol is delta, and that's change of something. V is speed, S is distance traveled, and T is the time taken. V has an arrow because it's a vector. Delta is simply the final value minus the initial value. For example, delta T means final T minus initial T. Speed tells us how fast an object is moving. More precisely, it describes how much distance an object covers in a given amount of time. For example, if something is moving at 20 meters per second, it will travel 20 meters in 1 second, 40 meters in 2 seconds, 60 meters in 3 seconds, and so on. Speed can be measured in different units: kilometers per hour, km per hour, meters per second, and miles per hour, mph, which is mostly used in the United States. It's important to always check your units. If the unit you get in a problem doesn't match what it should be, it usually means the conversion wasn't done correctly, and your answer won't be accurate. Example number 1. A cyclist covers 30 kilometers in 2 hours. What is their average speed? We apply the formula. V equals S divided by T equals 30 kilometers divided by 2 hours equals 15 kilometers per hour. So, the cyclist was moving at an average speed of 15 kilometers per hour. This means that, on average, the cyclist covered 15 kilometers each hour. Second example is, a car travels 10 kilometers in 20 minutes. Find its speed in both kilometers per hour and meters per second. Kilometers per minute is not a standard unit, so we need to convert minutes to hours. To get hours traveled, just divide minutes by 60. If you need seconds, multiply minutes by 60. In our case, we divide by 60 to get 1/3 of an hour. Then we calculate. Speed is 10 kilometers divided by 1/3 of an hour, and that's 30 kilometers per hour. To convert to meters per second, multiply the number we got by 0.278. In opposite case, multiply by 3.6. So 30 times 0.278 equals 8.34 meters per second. The car's speed is 30 kilometers per hour, or 8.34 meters per second.